my channel. Today's video is going to be on this Snow White tutorial. You guys know I love Halloween, but I've never done a Disney princess, so I'm pretty excited for this one. I'm using the brand new ColourPop Disney Designer Collection for this look. This collection is filled with all the colors you need to create your very own Disney princess inspired look. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and that you turn on post notifications so that you don't miss when I upload a new video. Alrighty, I think that's everything I have to say, so let's get started. So let's start out with this primer, Perfecting Primer Serum. This is my first time using it. Okay, second time. It smells really nice. I'm also going to use a little bit of this Dermablend Insta Grip Jelly Primer. Since I already applied that other primer, I'm just going to apply it to the cheeks. So I'm going to go in with foundation a little bit lighter than I normally would. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Macaroon. It's been so long since I filmed a makeup tutorial, so I feel like slightly just... It's always a little adjustment, like after I haven't filmed for a while, because vlogging's totally different ball game. But yeah. So now what I would normally do is go in with like a warm bronzer. I think I actually want to use a blush instead. So this is from ColourPop. This is called Why Hello. So let's just put this up here. I don't know if I have a favorite Disney princess, to be honest. Like when I was little, you know, like everyone like had their favorite. I don't know. I mean, I had like Ariel bedding at one point. Does that make me like Teen Little Mermaid? I'm having a hard time concentrating right now because of the look at my face. How is it possible that I put on makeup and got uglier? So next I'm going to contour the cheeks. I'm using this Used and Abused highlight and contour powder from IBY Beauty. This was one of my BoxyCharm contour powders. So let's just go like this. Like even though Snow White is not bronzed, she is contoured, I guess. Okay, so I am taking the Precision Brow Pencil from ColourPop, and this is in the color Bangin' Brunette. Okay, so let's take some concealer and carve out the brows. This is MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. I'm also going to spread this all over the lid and use it as my eyeshadow base. So just with whatever is on the lid, I'm going to spread all over because when there's too much product, then it gets sticky. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using It's a Princess Thing from ColourPop from the Disney Designer Collection. Let's first take a Juju, which is this pink shade, and let's just dust this on the crease area and see where things take us. Do you ever do that with eyeshadow? You're like, I gotta see where my brush wants to go type vibe. I want to keep the eyes really soft, so I'm going to take the shade Abu and we're going to swirl this in the crease area. Whoops, I should have left it where it was. Blend that bitch out. Before we do the lid, I want to do my under eyes. I'm going to take the C2 Monica Dar powder. You guys know my fave. I'm also bringing this in towards the nose, which will help when we're gonna contour. And then while we're here, I'm just gonna go down the center with this powder. On the lid, I'm going to be using this really pretty shadow from the ColourPop Princess Collection. This one is called Heigh-Ho. You can't really tell from how it looks inside of the pan. I don't know, but this is such a pretty shimmery shade. Like as I was putting it on, oh yes. So I'm gonna use a flat brush, and I feel like this responds well. Oh, even with your finger. Yeah, because I was gonna say you really need to like push it into the skin. And this is so pretty for just right on top of the skin, or if you were gonna put a light colored eyeshadow. It's very shimmery, but it's still subtle and like very, I don't know what the word I'm looking is for, but it works perfect for this princess look. Let's take some white eyeliner and put this in the waterline to just brighten and open the eyes. What is this? This is Whiteout from Kat Von D. Either white or like a cream color pencil will look really nice. Sometimes the white is too harsh, but I'm just gonna put it on there really lightly. I don't like when it's like too bright. This one is actually pretty bright, but I'll just put like one layer and hope that it will kind of wear off, which I feel like it does. Yeah, there we go. I like rubbed it off a little bit. We are going to take a little bit of this Beast eyeshadow and we're going to shade the lower lash line with it. Let's add some top liner. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Carbon Black Longwear Liquid Liner. So we are gonna do a wing. I want to just lift the eye up. I want to deepen the color on the lash line over here, so I'm just taking a little bit of brown eyeshadow. For the lashes, I'm going to be using the NARS Climax mascara. For my lashes, I'm applying these Lily lashes in Miami. And these are the perfect style for this look because they're still long and give you definition, but they're not gonna cover the eye. They're still very dainty, I'd say. Next, let's contour the nose using the same contour powder that we used on the cheeks. What? Okay, really? I was trying to do something different and it's not working. Hold please. Just gonna take the brush that I used to apply my foundation. Oh my god, I can't talk. Just, you know, we're gonna start all over. It never even happened. You know what may guide me in my contouring journey is maybe a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna take that Heigh-Ho eyeshadow and I'm gonna put it right here on the tip of the nose. It's like the North Star. We know where we're going now. Okay, so I was trying to make the tip of my nose smaller by shading wider and that didn't pan out. So I'm gonna kind of do just shade above where my nose ends. And let's take this powder. Oh, there she is. Next, let's apply some blush. This is Thumper from ColourPop Cosmetics. This is an amazing pink blush. I'm gonna put this really heavy on the cheeks. Last but not least, let's apply our lipstick. This is the Snow White lipstick. I got to try this before, and this is seriously so creamy and smooth, but pigmented. This is a really nice lipstick. And I'm not gonna do a liner with it because you guys know I'm kind of weird about lip liner. Snow White has brown eyes, so I got some really pretty honey colored contacts. So I'm going to put these in and then put on my headband and my and my Snow White top, and then I will be all ready. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and that you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Ugh. Honey, this costume smells like BO. And I wonder why I'm single. Everyone wonders why I'm single. I mean, I'm such a good catch. I was like, bitch. Moving on. P-King. P-King. I look like one of the... Grumpy. What is the dwarf's name?